कितने गहरे हल्के शाम के रंग है छलके, पर्वत से यूं उतरे बादल जैसे आंचल ढलके, और इस पल में कोई नहीं है, बस एक मैं हूँ, बस एक तुम हो।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't hit the notification bell icon, please hit that, so every time I post a new video you get a notification. And today I have created this look right here, and if you're interested how I achieved it, then please keep on watching. Let's go. Hi everyone, I hope you all are in good health and safe. So let's start with the makeup. I have ran out of my moisturizer, so I'm gonna use strobe cream in light pink from MAC to prep my skin. So this strobe cream helps to banish away the signs of dullness, gives instant radiance, and it does not feel sticky or heavy on the skin. It melts away completely into your skin. And what you can do is you can mix this with your foundation as well for a dewy look. So for primer I am taking Maybelline New York Master Prime. I have been using this for a very long time और हर वीडियो में यही प्राइमर यूज़ करती हूँ मैं. And this primer feels really nice and smooth without feeling or looking greasy. It creates a smooth base also on my dry areas of my face, and it does not clog my pores. Next, I am taking this Nykaa Brow Girl Brow Definer for my eyebrows. I'm just gonna brush them. That's it. I'm not gonna fill them today. So next, I'm taking this brow gel. This gel gives me a brown tint which I like, and it is natural looking and water resistant, which is very good. Applying a lip gloss to hydrate my lips because honey, they are dry. So next I am taking this Wet n Wild concealer. This concealer is blendable, buildable, and gives me natural coverage, and this is very affordable also. And right now I am just applying it to make my eyebrows look very sharp. So lately I am just loving this concealer. This concealer is creamy yet has a lightweight texture. It evens out my skin tone also, and sometimes I apply it to hide my dark circles or blemishes and the redness. And this is cruelty free, gluten free, fragrance free, and vegan. And right now I'm just using my finger to blend all that concealer in. Next I am taking this mini bronzer which is from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Woody Wonder, which is a warm brown shade, and when I apply it on my face it gives me a sun-kissed look. But right now I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids as an eyeshadow and my transition shade. Next I am taking this Maybelline eyeshadow palette. I am taking the darker brown shade and applying it on the outer corner as well as my inner corner to have a somewhat hollow eye look. Now I am taking a champagne color to apply on the center of my eyelids. taking a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush, blending it all together. Now I'm using a gel eyeliner to intensify my outer corner, and I have applied tape so that I can have a sharp look. I'm going to blend it very well so that I can get a ethnic look out of it. Do not forget the lower lash line area, and after this I applied kajal also. I applied my lashes off camera, and to hide the band I used the Colossal liquid eyeliner. I have used Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter and Metal White foundation. So this is the photo focus foundation, which means it is very good for photo lightening conditions. So you can get flawless camera ready makeup all the time, and this is tested under 7 conditions with and without the use of flash. So right here I am taking my concealer, which is from LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, to hide my dark circles. So again I am taking a concealer from LA Girl Pro Conceal, but in a darker shade for my face contouring. So I did some baking with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Setting spray from MAC to set my makeup in place. My most favorite product, highlighter. This is a metallic highlighter which is from Maybelline New York Master Chrome and in the shade 100, and the name is Molten Gold. Next I am taking a lipstick which is from MAC. One of the best new shades of MAC is Velvet Teddy, and I am using this for my cheeks as well as my lips. This is the completed look. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you for all the love and support. Please like, share and comment. Bye guys.